Hi students, John here. Chapter 1 Application of Matrices and Determinants. Exercise 1.3. So question number 2. If matrix A is equal to minus 5, 1, 3, then second row becomes 7, 1, minus 5, then 1, minus 1, 1, and B matrix is equal to 1, 1, 2, then 3, 2, 1, then 2, 1, 3, then find the product of AB and BA and hence solve the system of linear equations x plus y plus 2z is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7 and 2x plus y plus 3z becomes 2. First I am going to choose the given A matrix and B matrix. So A matrix becomes and B matrix becomes is equal to, then first I'm going to find the product of AB matrix. So AB matrix becomes, which is equal to, so A matrix becomes minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, 1, so minus 1, 1 into B matrix becomes 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. So first I'm going to multiple first row and multiple by second matrix in column wise. So first, which is equal to first row multiple by first column. So minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5. Then 1 into 3 becomes 3. Then 3 to are plus 6. Then first row multiple by second column. Minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5. Then 1 into 2 becomes plus 2. Then 3 into 1 becomes 3. Then first row multiplied by third column. Minus 5 into 2 becomes minus 10. 1 into 1 becomes 1. Then 3 into 3 becomes plus 9. So first row multiple, second row multiplied by first column. So 7 into 1 becomes 7. 1 into 3 becomes 3. Minus 5 into 2 becomes minus 10. Then second row multiplied by second column. So 1 into 7 becomes 7. Then 1 into 2 becomes 2. Then minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5. Then second row multiplied by last column. So 7 twos are 14. Then 1 ones are plus 1. Then minus 5 into 3 becomes minus 15. Then third row multiplied by first column. So 1 ones are 1. Then minus 1 becomes 3 minus 3. Then 1 into 2 becomes 2. Then third row multiplied by second column. So 1 ones are 1. Then minus 1 into 2 becomes minus 2. Then 1 into 1 becomes plus 1. Then third row multiplied by third column. So 1 twos are 2. Then minus 1 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Then 1 ones are 3. So which is equal to, so 3 plus 6 becomes 9. 9 minus 5 becomes 4. Here minus 5 plus 5 becomes 0. Then minus 10 becomes 1 plus 9 becomes plus 10. So plus 10 minus 10 becomes 0. So here 7 plus 3 10. 10 minus 10 becomes 0. Here 7 plus 2 becomes 9. 9 minus 5 becomes plus 4. Then 14 plus 1 15. 15 minus 15 becomes 0. Then 1 plus 2 becomes 3. 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Then 1 plus 1 becomes 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Then 2 plus 3 becomes 5. 5 minus 1 becomes 4. So which is equal to, so 4 is a common multiple. So taking outside from the matrix, so remaining 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, which is equal to 4 times of identity matrix with order 3. So then next I am going to prove BA matrix is equal to, so B matrix becomes, then A matrix becomes, then I'm going to multiply these two matrix, which is equal to, so first matrix and second matrix. So first matrix I'm going to take row, second matrix I'm going to take column. So row multiple by column. So first row multiple by first column means 1 into minus 5 becomes minus 5, then 1 into 7 becomes 7, then 2 into 1 becomes 2, then first row multiple by second column, so 1 ones are 1, then plus 1 ones are 1, then 2 into minus ones are minus 2, then first row multiple by third column, 1 threes are 3, then minus 5, then 1 twos are 2, then second row multiple by first column, so 3 into minus 5 becomes minus 15, then plus 2 into 7 becomes 14, then 1 ones are 1, then second row multiple by second column, so 3 ones are 3, plus 2 ones are 2, minus 1 into minus 1 becomes minus 1, then second row multiple by third column, 3 threes are 9, then minus 2 fives are 10, then 1 ones are 1, then third row multiply by first column, so 2 into minus 5 becomes minus 10, then 1 into 7 becomes plus 7, then 3 into 1 becomes 3, then 3 into 1 becomes 2, plus 1 ones are 1, then 3 into minus 1 becomes minus 3, then third row multiple by third column, here 2 3s are 6, then 1 into minus 5 becomes minus 5, then 3 into 1 becomes 3, so which is equal to minus 5, here 7 plus 2 becomes 9, 9 minus 5 becomes 4, here 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 becomes 0, here 3 plus 2 becomes 5, 5 minus 5 becomes 0, here 14 plus 1 15, 15 minus 15 becomes 0, so here 5 5 minus 1 becomes 4, then 9 plus 1 becomes 10, 10 minus 10 becomes 0, then 7 plus 3 becomes 10, 10 minus 10 becomes 0, here 2 plus 1 3, 3 minus 3 becomes 0, here 6 plus 3 becomes 9, 9 minus 5 becomes 4, so which is equal to, so here 4 is a common multiple, so taking outside from the matrix, so remaining 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1, then 4 times of this becomes identity matrix with order 3, so left hand side becomes BA matrix. So from the result we get AB is equal to BA is equal to 4 times of identity matrix with order 3. So here 4 is a multiple இருக்கதுனால, so I'm going to divide it by 4 for all sides. So 1 by 4 of AB is equal to 1 by 4 of BA is equal to 4 4 will be eliminated, so remaining identity matrix. Now I'm going to equate any one of this, so 1 by 4 of AB becomes identity matrix, here post multiple by B inverse, we get 1 by 4 of B inverse, which is equal to identity matrix into B inverse. So here I'm going to using the property, so B inverse is equal to identity matrix, and also identity matrix into any matrix becomes multiple, we get that original matrix B inverse. So I'm going to apply this one, so 1 by 4 of A times of, so this can be written as identity matrix from the property, here A into any matrix multiple by we get that particular matrix, so I'm going to put B inverse. Next, so again I'm going to apply the property A into identity matrix which is equal to A matrix, so AI becomes here A which is equal to B inverse. I'm going to rearrange B inverse which is equal to 1 by 4 of A matrix. So this condition I'm going to use next formation of the equations. Now I'm going to find the system of linear equation. So first equation becomes x plus y plus 2z is equal to 1. Second equation becomes 3x plus 2y plus z becomes 7. Then third equation becomes 2x plus y plus 3z becomes 2. So this equation can be written as in the form of matrix. So I'm going to find the matrix. So coefficient of x becomes 1, 3, 2. Coefficient of y becomes 1, 2, 1. Coefficient of z becomes 2, 1, 3. Then xyz matrix, xyz matrix, which is equal to constant matrix. So 1, 7, 2. So அப்படியே reverseல இதை multiply பண்ணா easily we get the equation. So I'm going to give the name. So already this value exists in the question. 1 comma 1 comma 2, then 3 2 1 2 1 3 become a B matrix. So here I'm going to give the name for B. Then this becomes X matrix. So this one C matrix, already A exists, so I'm going to give the name C. Then here I'm going to apply the matrix inversion method. So we need X only, so B goes to right side means B inverse into C. Here I'm going to apply the pre-multiple by B inverse, so easily we get this step. Okay, now X is equal to, already we know that condition, 1 by 4 of A into C. Now I am going to apply the condition X is equal to 1 by 4 of A matrix becomes, then C matrix becomes here, which is equal to, I am going to multiply these two matrix here, 1 by 4 of, so first matrix into second matrix. First matrix order becomes 3 by 3 matrix. Here second matrix becomes 3 rows into 1 column. So first matrix order column, second matrix order row will be equal. So we get the answer matrix becomes 3 by 1. So first row multiplied by first column becomes minus 5 into 1 becomes minus 5. Then 1 into 7 becomes plus 7. 3 into 2 becomes 6. Then second row multiplied by first column, 7 into 1 becomes 7, plus 1 into 7 becomes 7, minus 5 into 2 becomes minus 10. Then third row multiplied by column, so 1 ones are 1. Then minus 1 into 7 becomes minus 7. Then 1 into 2 becomes plus 2, which is equal to 1 by 4 of, so here 7 plus 6 becomes 13. So 13 minus 5 becomes plus 8. Then 7 plus 7 becomes 14. 14 minus 10 becomes plus 4. Then 1 plus 2 becomes 3. So 3 minus 7 becomes minus 4. So then here I'm going to multiple 1 by 4 in the matrix. So 8 by 4, then 4 by 4, then minus 4 by 4. So next we get, I'm going to minimize here. So 1 4s are 4. Here 2 4s are 8. So answer becomes 2. Then 1 4s are 1. Here also 1. Then 1 4s are 1. Here we get minus 1 is the capital X matrix. Already we know that capital X matrix becomes small x comma y comma z matrix. Therefore we get the result x comma y comma z is equal to 2 comma 1 comma minus 1.